Hey word workers, welcome to WordWork for another lesson on base words. In this video, you will learn some words related to one base word. Let's get started exploring the exciting world of base words. The base word in this video is some. Here are some words related to the base word. Somebody, someday, somehow, someone, someplace, something, sometime, sometimes, somewhat, somewhere, awesome, handsome, lonesome, wholesome. Now learn how to use each word in a sentence. I have some new books on my shelf. There is somebody knocking on the door. Someday, I want to travel the world. Somehow, the cake turned out well, despite the missing ingredients. I saw someone I knew at the grocery store. I want to visit some place that I have never been before. Something smells delicious in the kitchen. I hope to visit Japan sometime in the future. Sometimes it is better to stay in and relax. I'm feeling somewhat better after taking some medicine. I left my phone somewhere in the house. The view from the top of the mountain was awesome. My friend looks very handsome with his new haircut. Living in a big city can sometimes feel lonesome. Eating a salad for lunch every day is a wholesome habit. Now let's review. Some, somebody, someday, somehow, someone, someplace, something, sometime, sometimes, somewhat, somewhere, awesome, handsome, lonesome, wholesome. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.